Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are. I've told you many times, if you go and watch my previous videos, we're going for this previous high in weekly now, okay? It's because this is the institutional money now activating the uptrend for dollar. Okay, I have explained in my previous videos how this trend works. Why market is in the uptrend for 6 months, then why is it in the downtrend for 6 months. I have explained that because it's the market, it's the institutional money or investors money which moves from one economy to another. Okay, so for 6 months they will, 6 months is a rough idea. It's not like fixed thing. It's not a fixed time interval. So, for some time, for 5-6 months, investors invest their money, trillions of dollars in one economy, then they withdraw the money with their profits, and then they go and invest their money in some other country. Okay, that's why uptrend and downtrend happens. So looks like right now, America has got some investments. So people have invested the money in the US economy. So that is why you will see now dollar is going up in the uptrend for next 4 or 5 months. Okay, when they take out the money with profits from America and they invest in China, Europe, or or other markets, their currency will go up. You understand how the trend works now? So in this case, the EMA is sloping upwards. So we are officially in the uptrend in USDJPY because we have crossed above this, EMA in weekly. Okay, so weekly is the most most used time frame by investors. Okay, so if you talk about these people who have billions and trillions of dollars, they only look into weekly time frame. Okay, but we can get an idea. So if you see now, it's quite clear. Your next, if you're a positional trader, okay, if you trade this called institutional money concept, then your next, or rather your profit should be this resistance. Okay, because no one will stop the price reaching here. No one can. Okay, so the weekly uptrend has started, and we are easily going to take down 157.50 in the coming weeks. In between, a lot of people will lose money. Even you might lose money. Even I might lose money. Okay, but we know with naked eye that this high will be taken. This is your first TP1. Okay, second TP is right here. I have told that in my last video. Okay, this is your last TP2. Okay, so some people will withdraw all the profits here. Some people will wait until here. Okay, point being is uptrend. Look for longs. Take your profit here or maybe here. Okay, coming back to daily chart. in Delhi, if you go and watch my old videos on this candle, okay, so in one of my videos, I think I told you this was your candle to make your long entry, because I told you USDJPY and USD CAD don't give you opportunity for the full pullback. Okay, in normal scenarios, the pullback was supposed to happen until the EMA. In this case, EMA was never touched. Okay, this is why when this hammer was formed, I told in my video, in my previous USDJPY analysis, I told here on this candle that make your buy entry. Okay, if you don't listen to me, don't blame me. Coming back to 4 hour, where price is exhausted. Okay, so don't be a fool. Wait for the pullback until the EMI, and then engulfing blue candle, and then you go long. Okay, so if you want precision, it's type by entry. Your long entry is after the pullback in USD JPY. It's a clean setup. Now you know what's gonna happen. Okay, for a number of weeks, dollar is gonna be in uptrend. USD JPY is gonna be uptrend. You have seen the weekly time frame. You know your targets. Thank me later, or just be thankless. Most of the people who watch my videos are thankless. When I say most, I'm talking about 99% people who watch my videos are thankless. That's your personality, not mine. Anyways, subscribe, like. If it's a too big deal, then dislike. Okay, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you like, and then join free Telegram and swing trading automation. If you want to buy the software, go and get it. Otherwise, it's okay. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a good one.